Every single morning, millions of women over 60 are doing the same 7 things to their fine hair that are silently making it look flatter, thinner, and older than it actually is. And the most frustrating part? Most of them are things you were taught were good for your hair. Today we are stopping all of that and replacing it with 7 secrets that create real, visible volume instantly. Welcome back, beautiful. So happy you are here again. And if you are joining us for the very first time, welcome to Glow at Every Age, where we help women over 60 look radiant, polished, and absolutely confident without spending a fortune doing it. Today's video is one I have wanted to make for a long time because fine hair after 60 deserves real solutions, not just generic tips that do not actually work. Before we get into it, if you are tired of flat, lifeless hair, and you are ready for real answers, hit that like button and subscribe if you have not already. Tap that bell too so you never miss us. Let me ask you something. Have you ever washed your hair, spent time styling it, and then looked in the mirror an hour later wondering where all the volume went? You are not imagining it. And it is not just age. Fine hair after 60 behaves completely differently from the hair you had in your 30s and 40s, and the styling habits most of us built back then simply do not translate anymore. In fact, many of them are actively working against you right now without you even realizing it. Here is what makes this video different from everything else you might have seen on this topic. We are not just telling you what to stop doing. We are replacing every single mistake with one specific, practical secret that creates instant, visible volume. 7 mistakes, 7 secrets. Let us get into all of them. Secret number 1. Stop washing your hair every day. This feels completely counterintuitive, I know. Washing your hair feels fresh and clean. And surely clean hair has more volume, right? Actually, the opposite is true for fine hair. Every time you shampoo, you strip the natural oils from your scalp. Your scalp then compensates by producing more oil faster, which means your hair gets greasy and flat more quickly. You end up in a cycle of daily washing that keeps your hair permanently limp and weighed down. The secret: stretch your washes to every 2 to 3 days. In between, use a small amount of dry shampoo applied directly at the roots, not the lengths. Dry shampoo absorbs excess oil and adds texture and grip to the root area, which is exactly what fine hair needs to stand up and away from the scalp. Within just 1 week of making this switch, most women notice a visible difference in how long their volume lasts. Secret number 2. Stop applying conditioner to your roots. Conditioner is designed to moisturize and soften. Those are wonderful things for the lengths and ends of your hair, but at the roots, that softness is the enemy of volume. When conditioner reaches the roots of fine hair, it weighs every strand down at the base, which is the single most important place you need lift. It makes the hair lie flat against the scalp before you even begin styling. The secret: apply conditioner from the mid-lengths to the ends only. Keep it completely away from your roots and scalp. This one simple change protects the natural texture and grip at your roots, giving your hair a much better foundation for volume before you even pick up a brush or blow dryer. Secret number 3. Stop rubbing your hair with a towel. This one surprises almost everyone, but it might be one of the most damaging things you can do to fine hair specifically. When you rub wet hair vigorously with a towel, you are roughing up the hair cuticle in a way that causes frizz, breakage, and tangling. On fine hair, this friction also disrupts the natural direction of the strands, making them harder to lift and style afterward. The secret: instead of rubbing, gently squeeze the water out of your hair using the towel. Or even better, use an old soft cotton t-shirt instead of a regular towel. Cotton absorbs water without creating friction. Then let your hair air dry for just a few minutes before you begin styling. You will notice immediately that your hair responds better to the brush and feels easier to lift at the roots. Secret number 4. Stop blow drying your hair in one direction. Most of us blow dry our hair the same way every single time. We point the dryer downward and smooth everything in the direction it naturally falls. It feels logical, but for fine hair seeking volume, it is exactly the wrong approach. Drying your hair in its natural direction simply trains it to lie flat. You end up with smooth hair and zero body, and that flatness sets in for the entire day. The secret: flip your hair forward and dry it completely upside down for the first 2 to 3 minutes. This single technique lifts the roots away from the scalp and sets them in an upward position before the hair cools and holds its shape. Once you flip back up, use a round brush to roll sections upward and away from your head as you finish drying. The difference in volume between this method and simply drying downward is genuinely remarkable. We are right in the middle of this, and I really hope these are already clicking for you, because every single one of these secrets costs you nothing extra. If this is giving you real value today, please tap that like button right now. It helps this video reach so many more women who need these answers. And if you have a friend who is constantly complaining about flat hair, send her this video right now. She will be so grateful. Let us keep going, because the next 3 secrets are honestly the most powerful ones of all. Secret number 5. Stop using heavy products on your lengths. Walk into almost any bathroom belonging to a woman with fine hair, and you will find a collection of products, serums, creams, oils, and leave-in conditioners, all applied generously from roots to ends in the hope of making hair look healthier and more voluminous. Here is the problem. Every single one of those products adds weight to already delicate strands. Fine hair does not need more product. It needs less of it, applied in the right places only. The secret: choose one lightweight volumizing product, a mousse or a fine mist spray rather than anything thick or creamy, and apply it only at the roots before styling. Work it in with your fingertips using a gentle pressing motion, rather than rubbing. This deposits grip and texture exactly where you need lift, without weighing down the lengths and ends that need to move freely. Secret number 6. Stop using the wrong brush. The brush you use on fine hair makes an enormous difference to the amount of volume you can create and maintain throughout the day. Many women use a paddle brush or a wide flat brush out of habit, and while these are great for smoothing and detangling, they are not designed to create lift. They simply press the hair down as they move through it. The secret: switch to a round brush with natural bristles for styling, and use a wide tooth comb for detangling wet hair rather than any brush at all. A round brush allows you to roll sections of hair upward and away from the head as you dry, which is the mechanical action that creates lasting volume from the root. Natural bristles also distribute the hair's natural oils more evenly, which reduces the greasy root problem over time. Secret number 7. Stop finishing with nothing. Many women style their hair, achieve a decent amount of volume, and then walk away with no finishing step at all. Within an hour, that volume has completely collapsed, the roots have fallen flat, and the style looks like it was never there. This is the final piece of the puzzle, and it is the one most people skip entirely. The secret: finish your styling with a light hold flexible hairspray applied specifically at the roots only, held about 12 inches away from your head. Do not spray the lengths or ends. A light mist at the roots gives the volume you have just created a framework to hold onto throughout the day without making your hair feel stiff, crunchy, or unnatural. This one finishing step can extend your volume by hours. So there they are. 7 things to stop doing to your fine hair after 60. And the 7 secrets that replace each one with something that actually works. Stop washing every day and use dry shampoo at the roots in between. Stop conditioning your roots and keep it to the mid-lengths only. Stop rubbing your hair with a towel and squeeze gently instead. Stop drying in one direction and flip upside down first. Stop using heavy products on your lengths and choose one lightweight product at the roots only. Stop using a paddle brush and switch to a round brush for styling. And stop finishing with nothing and seal your volume with a light root spray. None of these cost a fortune. Most of them cost nothing at all except a small change in habit. But together, they will completely change what your hair looks and feels like every single morning. Your fine hair is not the problem. The way it has been treated is. And now you have everything you need to change that starting today. I would love to know which of these 7 secrets surprised you the most. Drop it in the comments below, because I read every single one, and I genuinely love hearing from this community. If this video gave you something real and useful today, please share it with a friend who struggles with fine flat hair. She needs to see this. And if you are not yet subscribed to Glow at Every Age, now is the perfect time. Hit that subscribe button and the bell, so you are always the first to know when we post something new. I will see you in the next one, beautiful. Your volume era starts right now.